and we're almost done. I got my hair done yesterday. Shout out to Endless Tresses, my girl LaShawn. Got my hair looking pretty, ready for the graduation. Now I have to finish 5 orders somehow before the weekend. I think I'm gonna do 3 today. So I have 2 regular classic ones, 1 junked one. And then tonight I'm gonna go ahead and get 1 classic one together and a carrier ready to ship off tomorrow before the weekend. So let's see if we can get it all done. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of trying to finish these orders before graduation weekend, and also talk about the real side of planning big events. Because as beautiful as these moments are, there's a lot of pressure that goes into them. I don't think people talk enough about the emotional side of planning events. Yeah, that was just some of the things that I was thinking about while I was sewing today. Of course, I got my Netflix playing in the background, and I definitely started the morning with my cup of coffee. So I'm starting with the junked one. So I'm just going to cut out the outer fabric first, then the lining. But yeah, as I'm sewing, I'm just thinking about all the help that I've had to make this day special for my daughter. I have family coming from all over, from Washington and Texas and other states as well. And I bought so many decorations and so much stuff. So today I spent, after I made these 3 covers, just trying to organize everything, all the decorations, so that way after the graduation, I can run over to the venue and decorate, because I really don't have much time. Her graduation is for 8 o'clock in the morning. So in between the graduation and going over to the place where we're going to have lunch, I don't have much time to go over there and decorate. So I really spent some time just organizing everything. I don't know how people plan events. Like, that's not an easy job, because I didn't hire anybody to do it. And so I'm doing it all myself with my sisters and my nieces. And today we had a lot to do. Today, one of my nieces helped me out so much. We put together one of those big grad signs with the foam board. Tomorrow I have to get the cake and blow up a lot of balloons. So kudos to all the party planners and event planners, because it's not easy at all. I mean, my daughter has been on it. I mean, she picked all her decorations. I literally just had to pay for it. She had her vision, and I just helped her vision come to life. And even with all of this going on, I'm definitely going to make sure my customers get their orders. Alrighty, guys, we finished one, the junked one. She turned out super cute. I'm going to tie the bow so you guys can see what she looks like with the bow tie. We're gonna package her up. And finish the other 2. It's 12 o'clock, we're making good time. The post office doesn't close until 5. This is what this one looks like. She's so adorable. This one's for LaRonda, and I hope you like it, LaRonda. I hope you don't see this video. All right, so we're gonna keep going and knock out the other 2. It's 12:05 and we're making good time, I hope. Let's do it. All right, guys, we are making good time. So I'm gonna jump right into checking the measurements for the other 2 that I need to make. And just make sure there's no specific measurements or any specific instructions that need to go on for those 2. And I don't know about you, but I haven't had like my family all together. Sometimes we come together for the sad moments, but it's nice to have everybody together for the happy moments. So we decided to bring a different shirt, because we're going to be in LSU colors. Most of us are wearing purple and gold, but we decided to bring like a white shirt and just have everybody change into a different shirt. And we're going to try to take a picture together, because I don't know when the last time we've all been together like this, but I think we should definitely take a really nice family photo. And I really hope everybody enjoys themselves and we create some really nice memories. And I think the older I get, the more I realize these moments matter more than perfection. Even my brother-in-law told me today, he was like, you know what? Try not to stress too much, because my daughter is just going to be happy to have all of her family around her. And that is so true. At some point, you stop stressing about everything being perfect and just start realizing you just want everyone together. Like having the kids, my little nieces and nephews running around the house while me and my niece put together the decorations, and my sister came over and she helped out. Those are the moments that I'm going to always remember, preparing for my daughter's graduation, and that just means the most to me. Not about being perfect, even though I want it to be pretty close to perfect for her because it's my baby girl. But if it's not, it's okay. I brought them some good crawfish today. We have a place here called Fiery Crab, and their crawfish is so good. And so I brought them some today, and they really enjoyed it. And my mom really loves to cook, so they've been eating gumbo and all sorts of good stuff while they've been here and just really enjoying the southern food. All right, so we're almost done with these last two covers. All I have left is to top stitch around both of them. And then after top stitching, I'm just gonna go over to my iron and just make sure they're pressed really well. But yeah, honestly, moments like this also make me so grateful for every single person that has supported my business along the way. Every purchase, every order, every pattern, every comment, every person that believed in what I create, it all adds up. And because of that support, I've been able to create beautiful memories for my daughter and our family too. That's something I'll never take lightly. So truly, thank you. It's always kind of surreal packing these up because every order is going somewhere different. Somebody trusted me enough to spend their money on something I made with my own hands. I think people sometimes only see the finished product, but not the late nights, the pressure, the balancing life and business all at the same time. I mean, one thing I've learned is that life keeps moving whether you feel ready or not. One minute you're dropping your daughter off at college, and then the next minute you're preparing for her graduation. Sometimes I'm packing orders while also trying not to cry at how fast our life is moving. And every order reminds me that the right people really do connect deeply with what you create. And that's something I'm incredibly grateful for. All right, guys, we completely finished. We got all three done. I do have to run to Hobby Lobby and go get the frame to frame my daughter's picture for her big day. So I completed the beautiful one for LaRonda. This one is super cute, LaRonda. Hope you like it. We finished the one for Martha with the cute little bunnies on it. This one is super cute. And then this one is for Samantha, the pretty cream one. So I can't wait for you guys to get them. So tomorrow is supposed to be graduation prep day. I do have 2 orders that I want to complete tomorrow before 2 o'clock. Then after that, it's all graduation prep. And sometimes between deadlines and getting all these orders done, life has to keep going. And this business has carried me through so many seasons. And somehow we're here. Graduation weekend. So congratulations again to all of you graduates. It's an amazing accomplishment. Another day in this business that I prayed for. I'm not sure what tomorrow holds, but today I showed up. And that's enough.